How do you put an extra virtual background in your iPad using the Teams meeting? Let me show you exactly how it would work. And if this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely become part of the community so you don't miss anything important. Well, of course, once you are inside of the meeting that you perhaps created yourself or you joined someone else's, doesn't matter, but you have to get inside of the mode, make sure that the camera is enabled, and all you have to do is just to click on the more options where you'll be able to see the different things sliding out. So you tap on the three dots, more things are going to pop up, and you of course want to click on background effects. And this is going to give you so many different options, right? Obviously the most common one is the blur effect where it only isolates your face and blurs out the background of the image, but there are also so many more options which you can just simply put behind you, like just like random office or different outdoors areas, right? So you can see that there are different backgrounds which you can use, which are already prepared for you. But however, if you also have if you want to add an extra one out of these options, what you have to do is just to tap on the plus button and essentially upload things from your gallery, right? So make sure you have it ready in your Photos app. So if you have something specific like your own custom background you want to use, then this is how you can access it and upload it to the team so you can use it as a background behind yourself. So that is all that you really need to know about it. I really hope I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials in the future. That is only if you subscribe, so make sure you do that, and I'll talk to you later.